So now we'll discuss the multiple choice questions and descriptive questions for close caller code. It is session number 9. So here I have given the samples of multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Close caller code is also called as there are three choices. A. Jodhpur code. B. SB code. C. DB code. Answer. The answer is A. Jodhpur code. Question number 2. Five buttons are attached for dash code. A. DB code. B. SB code. C. Close caller code. The answer is C. Close caller code. Question number 3. Excess material kept for button stand for dash code. A. Close caller code. B. SB code. C. DB code. The answer is A. Close caller code. Now we'll move on to the question number 4. Crown is kept for coat dash. A. Sleeve. B. Front. C. Back. So, back part of the sleeve part, we are keeping a crown. But back is a component now here. So, when we consider like this, the right answer is sleeve. Crown is kept for coat sleeve. Question number 5. Back width is measured from center back to dash. Three choices A, B, C. A is for front part, B is for sleeve seam, and C is for shoulder. Back width is measured from center back to sleeve seam. The right answer B. Question number 6. That is close collar coat is dash coat. A short coat, B long coat, C very long coat. The answer is A short coat. Question number 7. Back part is finished with A belt, B dots, C center vent. Back part is finished with C answer center vent. Question number 8. Welt pocket is stitched on dash line. A chest, B center, C waist. The answer is A chest line. Question number 9. In close collar coat, button stand is kept on dash side. A right side, B left side, C both the sides. The answer is A right side. Question number 10. To maintain the balance of the front part, dash is used. A. Front balance. B. Scale. C. Back balance. The right answer A. Front balance. Here also I have given the answer. Just see the answer, read the questions once again and answer the multiple choice questions. Now I'll start with the descriptive questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Explain the method of taking direct measurements of a close collar coat. So, what are the measurements required for a close collar coat and how do you take directly these measurements that you have to explain? Question number 2. Draw the style feature of a close collar coat and explain. You have to draw the style feature of a coat and regarding style feature, you have to give the explanation. Question number 3. List out the suitable fabrics used for a close collar coat. Just make the list. What are the fabrics you are using for coat that you have to write? Question number 4. List out and explain the trimming materials used for coat. Just you list the trimming material and you have to explain. Question number 5. Discuss the cost estimation of a close collar coat. Just how do you estimate the cost of a close collar coat that you have to explain. Next, question number 6. This is regarding drafting of the close caller code. Question number 6. Draft a close caller code for the given size and write the construction. The measurements are full length 72 centimeters, waist length 42 centimeters, chest 90 centimeters, waist 80 centimeters, seat 94 centimeters, half back 18 centimeters, neck 36, the actual neck measurement plus 2.5 centimeters, sleeve length 59 centimeters, and the scale is 45 centimeters. And you know how to find out the scale and the working scale. You can use 1/4 centimeter or 1/5 centimeter. Practice it and answer all the questions. Now we'll move on to the next session.